Hey man, what it do is Young Smoke. I'm in the building. I'ma kick a little freestyle, something off for y'all, you feel me? I mean, do something real simple, nothing too much. I just love to do this shit, it's my passion, so I mean I do it when I can, so I mean here go a little something. Y'all rate it, tell me what you really think. We're gonna go from there. I'm coming through, Charlotte Hornets on my snapback. Niggas know what it is when I'm spraying at that crack. Niggas walking up and scratching like they is fucking fiends, and I'm like, I got that shit you need, just hit up on the scene. Now get up on the scene, now I'm smoking on that green, and then I'm toting on some other shit that you ain't never seen, and I'm taking off the Mars. Now Pluto just like Future. My niggas 2 Chainz said it better, no lie to you. Never lie to you, never play around. These niggas straight bully, bitching straight down. Bucking and I'm ducking and I'm trucking if you get too close. In my eyes is washing wise, I think it's time I luck your hoe. Crime I did it, but Smoke really about to kill it, and I'ma give it to him good, and I'ma bang it out with hood, and I'ma bend it over fast, and I'ma hit it from the back, and let me put up on my strap, and let her sit all on my lap. Now Tiger said he need a lap dance, while I'm like, can I make it rain? And I'ma throw out these stacks, and I ain't throwing out no chains, and never fucking with a lame. Got bad bitches all on my team, got tats all on my fucking body, and you ain't never seen it clean. And my chest said it real good. If you respect numbers to it, niggas know what the flow is talking about. And I'ma give it to them good when I'm from the south. And I'ma sit it in my first to the flow, and I'ma give it to the dough. And I'ma show you how to get it when I spit a light. Whoa, when I step up on the scene, everybody know the team. And I'ma show you how to get it once really mean green. I give it to them. Niggas think I'm playing. And Smoke is about to get this deal. And money ain't a plan. And money ain't a problem. My head is kinda throbbing. I think I'm about to rob him. I think I'm about to spot him. I walk up in the club and I'm like, damn, she's a hottie. I walk up to a chick and I'm like, can I touch your body? And she like, damn, who that nigga standing over there with the Charlotte Hornets hat on? That's Smoke. Ayy, Smoke up in the building. I'm about to kill him. I think I love her. I put no one above her. You know what it is. She my first lady. I've been thinking about you crazy. Ha! Novocaine in the building. Frank Ocean did his thing, yeah, you know he drilled it. I'ma show him how to climax like Usher. And I'm sophisticated like Rick Ross. Trust her, trust me, bitches on me. And I give it to them real good, and I make them say for me. Now for me, now for you, now what it is and what it do. Cause you already know 6 colors is my fucking crew. That mean red, green, orange, blue, yellow, purple too. Ooh.